Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're going to explore how to view your Facebook groups on your PC using the latest updates. This might seem straightforward, but with Facebook's constant evolution, it's easy to get lost in the process. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your familiar news feed. Now, let's take a slight detour from the usual steps. Instead of going directly to the Groups section, we're going to start from your profile. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, click on the More option. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various sections related to your profile. From this menu, select the Photos section. You might be wondering why we're going through photos to find groups, but bear with me. This is just a creative way to explore your profile. Once you're in the Photos section, click on Albums. Now, you might be thinking, what do albums have to do with groups? Well, this step is more about familiarizing yourself with your profile's layout. However, to actually view your groups, let's backtrack a bit. To see your groups, you should actually click on the Groups tab on the left side of your newsfeed. This is where you'll find all the groups you're a part of. Click on Your Groups to view them all. You can then scroll through the list to find any specific group you're interested in. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily access and manage all your Facebook groups from your PC. Whether you're looking to reconnect with old friends or stay updated on community discussions, this guide will help you stay organized and connected. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on navigating social media.